My name's Sasha, and today I want to show you how to make a spiral suncatcher. For this project, you'll need some memory wire. I've got this small bit. The spiral part is all memory wire, and then you'll need some beads, some crimps, a tiger tail, and a weight at the bottom, and of course some pliers. For this you'll need a weight, and I have already done a video about sun catchers, and in there I teach you how to wrap these weights in wire like this. I'll link the video in the description and above somewhere. Okay, about the weights at the bottom. This weight is a bit like light, so it's not pulling the memory wire down enough. But this weight is perfect. It's pulling the memory wire down in a pretty spiral. But today I'm going to show you what to do if your weight is too heavy. Okay, to start, I'm just going to put some beads on this memory wire. Okay, I've put beads on, and now I want to show you how to just end off these memory wire spirals. I've got a round nose pliers, and I'm just going round and round and round until it gets back to the bead. So it'll look like that, and this side will look like that. Okay, now I want to put it on this weight. Okay, now as you can see, I can't lift it off the table without the coils going too loose. So I'm going to get a piece of tiger's tail, and I'm gonna hook it there, put some beads, and then that will help me decide how long this will be. Let me put some beads and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. I'm just gonna put a loop. First I'm gonna put some crimps. A crimp, a bead, and then a crimp. And then I'm gonna loop it onto this and then take it back through the crimps and the bead, and it'll look like that. Then I'm just going to close the crimps. Okay, now I'm going to put a few beads and I'll show you what it'll look like. Okay, I have put beads on this middle tiger's tail, and now I'm at the point at the top where I wanted to hang. So I'm just gonna put this tiger's tail through this little loop that I made in the memory wire, and then I'm gonna put it through some crimps so that it makes a loop. There we go. You can make this loop as big or as small as you want, because this is the one where you're going to hang it. And then I just need some normal pliers, and I'm just going to close the crimps and cut off this excess bit. And there we go. It'll look like that. thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to see more beautiful projects.